So, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your coffee maker. First up, we're going to need vinegar and coffee maker. We're going to just back out of that a little bit. We're going to pour some of our vinegar right in the coffee maker. A liberal amount. Shut the lid, turn it on, and there we go. Now this takes about 2 run-throughs of the vinegar, then you run a pot's worth of water through it about 3 times, and there we go. It'll start making the coffee faster, and it will taste a lot cleaner. So good luck. I hope you enjoy this. You can use pretty much any kind of regular vinegar. And like, rate, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a good day, everybody.